Hello everyone, welcome to this example where we will have the first four terms of a sequence. And for part A, it's pretty straightforward. We are just required to write down the seventh term. So I'm going to start off with the first four term. And I notice that we always add 3 to this. So the next term will then be 13, followed by 16, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My seventh term will be 19. And that is the answer for this question. Seventh term is 19. Okay, so T7 equals to 19. Part B. Write down an expression for the nth term, and notice we always add the same number to the previous term. And so for this particular question, we are actually looking at a common difference number pattern, and I'm going to share with you how am I going to apply this particular formula now. Tn equals to T1 plus D times n minus 1. Okay? D is the common difference, meaning the number that we always add on to the previous term. So in this case, is 3. Okay? N minus 1, just continue to write as n minus 1. The first term is this. This is the first term. In this case is 1. So I need to add. And that is my n term. And usually we would like to advocate to just simply simplify. So this will be 3n minus 3. Final answer 3n. 1 minus 3 will be negative 2. And that's how I get my n term. And for part C, is it possible for 34 to be in this number sequence? And how then do we explain the answer? So for part C, right, I'm going to tap on what we have just found here. My Tn, which is 3n minus 2. So, if there exists 34, then this is one of the term. So 3n minus 2, which is the n term, equals to 34. If 34 is indeed one of the terms or numbers in this sequence, then let's check what is the number for n. So 3n will be equals to 34. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. That's why here got a 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So I would have 3n equals to 36. And to finish off, n will be, I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. 12. Indeed. So number 34 is the 12th term. Okay? And finally, since n equals to 12 is a whole number, (34) is in this sequence. And we have come to the end of this example. Let's move on to the next example.